Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing in with your Microsoft account and verifying two-step. This secures access and sync. Once signed in, make sure to set the default inbox, time zone, and focused inbox preference so messages route predictably. Next, link any secondary accounts, Exchange, IMAP, or Gmail, through Settings accounts. This consolidates mail and calendars. These first steps reduce fragmentation and prevent missed events, so complete them now, before moving on to organizing and advanced features. Once your accounts are linked, focus on organizing mail and calendar to save time. Create folders and set rules to auto-sort newsletters and receipts because automation keeps your inbox manageable. Use flags, categories, and search folders to prioritize follow-ups and quickly surface important threads. For calendar, sync devices and set a default meeting length and notification lead time so scheduling is consistent. Also, add shared calendars for team visibility. This prevents double booking and clarifies commitments. To finish, enable advanced tools that speed daily work. Use templates and quick steps for repetitive messages and schedule sends when timing matters. Make sure add-ins like Teams and OneNote are enabled so you can create meetings and notes without leaving Outlook. Once done, review mobile sync settings to ensure notifications match your desktop. If sync or loading issues occur, reauthorize the account, clear the app cache, and check server status. If that fails, restart the app and contact your admin for persistent server-side errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.